There are 14 principles of Amazon are available in the internet. If you search in Google what are the 14 principles of Amazon, then you can easily find it. There are three most important principles of Amazon is customer satisfaction, deep dive, and such things that you have done for the customer.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Innovative Techs. Now today we are having with us Ms. Devashmita Shah, who has cracked the interview in Amazon for the position of SPS. Now she will be sharing her total interview experience, her total interview journey in this video. So as parents, please watch the full video to build your own strategy on behalf of this. Thank you Devashmita for giving us a valuable time from your busy schedule.
Thank you, Costa, for inviting me. And actually, today is Saturday night, so I'm basically free. And for in this work culture, Amazon work culture, we got Saturday and Sunday off. So it's very relaxing time for our.
Great. So let's come to the main part of this webinar. So my first question to you, Devashmita. So how many rounds were there and what are those?
Basically, there are only one round of interview, and before the interview, you have to crack a one online test. There are one MCQ round and one writing test and one speaking test. If you clear the three rounds in online test, then you will be direct invited on the interview part. After that, there are no rounds. If any profile required any HR round, then they will email you that for this round you will be going to the HR part. After that, the HR round. But my profile was direct interview after the online test.
Okay. The next question to you is the most important question. That how did you prepare yourself to crack those rounds?
So there are three verticals in the online test. The first round is the MCQ part. Second is email writing, which is writing part, and third one is speaking test. Let's come one by one. The MCQ part is some like general grammatical questions. There will be some four options available in the question, and you have to select the particular one option which will be suitable for the question. And for that round, you don't have to need any kind of extra preparation because we use that word in our normal life daily. We use so many words daily and we don't know either. But when we are seeing that question or seeing the such question, and be like, oh God, I don't know this answer and all. But it's not like that only. It's a basic grammatical question. Now the second part is the email writing part, where you have to be your typing speed in such a way you can type the whole email. You have to type the whole email in 100 words basically. I have typed my that emails in maybe 120 words and like that. And I just practice my typing speed in. I just search Google how to increase typing speed and all. There are various sites over there, and I choose
Absolutely.
random sites, and then I check my typing speed. For to crack this particular round, your typing speed must be 20 MPS per word. Typing speed, you have to be 20 to 25. If you decrease your typing speed rather than this is very good for you. If you are not your if your typing speed is not that good, then you can practice in from the side of the Google, and you can use to yourself. And third part is the speaking test. Normally you have to listen the whole sentence. There will be some sentence they will speak, and you have to repeat after them. It's basically one kind of dictation. In childhood, we practice those things in our school also. That where the teacher is going to say this word after me, please repeat after me, and this will be happen also in Amazon online test. So for this particular round, the most important round is the typing speed round, the email writing and the writing. Because I'm working in such a profile where you have to be type in a such a way that you can cover the whole thing in a proper email. And we communicate with seller in only email. We don't contact our seller. We don't see in video chat with our seller. We just type the whole thing in mail and a professional way, not the normal way. In a professional way, we just type. You have to focus one thing only, that how to we crack the email part. After that, the thing is normal and easy going and not that much tough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as our expert said, for the aspirants, that you have to go the each width of this process, and in these things you have to go in the vertical wise. Means first one is the email writing, second one is the pronunciation test, and the third one is the, you can say, the typing speed. Yes, there are many more sites available in the Google platform from where you can go through the for your typing speed and increase your typing speed from there. So as I mentioned earlier that the last round was the interview round. Yes. So for the interview round, how did you prepare yourself?
There are some sort of questions which the HR recruiter generally asks to the candidate. It's like there are 14 principles of Amazon are available in the internet. If you search in Google what are the 14 principles of Amazon, then you can easily find it. There are three most important principles of Amazon is customer satisfaction, deep dive, and such things that you have done for the customer. Means you
Okay.
have done your beyond about the customer, for the customer. The whole thing, the Amazon is built up on the customer satisfaction. Will ask you in interview session, what do you know about the Amazon and what do you know about the profile, and they will ask such questions related to the 14 principles. If you are preparing yourself for the interview of Amazon, then you have to know, you must know the 14 principles of Amazon, and you should really connect those 14 principles with your career itself, with your CV. And there is one more question basically asked interview, the HR recruiter asked, that is, tell me something which is not mentioned in your CV. And you have to tell something which is actually mentioned not your CV. If you say that I love sports and I love to watching movies and all, which is we actually include those things in our CV, right? We don't
Yes.
have to say that thing. The recruiter wants to know what are those things which is not mentioned in your CV. You have to tell this, and you have to convince it that way that yes, we have done these things also apart from our CV, which is not mentioned in our CV. That's all. The 14
Great.
principles is really, really important.
So mark the keyword, this 14 principles. Okay, so I have to relate those things. If I'm not wrong, Roshmita, that you have to relate the 14 principle with your daily life, means with giving some example at the point of the interview.
Hmm.
And the second thing is that mention those things which are not in your CV. So they're really checking that how did you edit your concentration at the point of making your CV. So my next question to you, that how did you prepare your CV?
As I mentioned earlier, that Amazon basically builds on the 14 principles itself. I have prepared my CV with 14 principles only. I learned about the 14 principles very well. That's the only way I have prepared my CV also. I basically learned each and every principle. Then I relate my past internships and projects, everything with 14 principles. That in my internship also I have mentioned so many things, key learnings and objectives and all. Then I change the whole thing and relate with the 14 principles what Amazon wants. I actually give them the thing that they want to know about me and they want to know about the candidate. That's all. You have to relate your CV with the 14 principle itself.
Okay,
That's it.
great, great. So let's come through the PI part. That is the interview round. So what was the first question?
They asked me, the recruiter asked me, the first question is like, introduce yourself, and then they added the one part is like, tell me something which is not mentioned in your CV as well.
Great.
So I basically just introduced myself then, and I have still something which is actually not mentioned in my CV that time. Then I told him that part also. And the whole interview process is like it's like on the virtual process. They use one app sometime, and you have to download the app, and they will call you and they will share a meeting ID with you, and you have to join that meeting ID.
Let's come to the final part of this webinar. So, please mention some three key advices for our aspirants.
Okay, firstly, you have to know the 14 principles of Amazon, as I have mentioned so many times the 14 principles, and I would like to advise you guys that you must know the 14 principles of Amazon. Second part is, when you are giving the interview to the HR recruiter of the Amazon, you must show that you are very eager for this job. Don't show like this way. No, I'm just preparing myself in one night. I just prepared myself in one night and I'm giving the interview to you. Don't show this type of attitude. Show that way you are very eager to join Amazon. You are very eager. You want to learn and you want to join Amazon. And the third part is the typing speed. You have to increase your typing speed for the to crack your online test.
Yes.
Please practice more to crack the basic part is online test. If you crack the basic part is online test, na, the other round is interview process is very smoothly. You can handle the whole process very smoothly if you crack the main part online test. I like to advise these 3 points to you. All the aspirants, those who are eagerly wants to join Amazon like me, I am waiting for this so many times. I like to join Amazon
e-commerce platform. So I think everyone wants to join in the company. Thank you very much, Devashmita, for sharing this kind of such informative and description in this video. I think aspirants will be preparing on those and build their own strategy on behalf of this. Yes. The one-to-one consultation, I'll be mentioning her contact details, means LinkedIn ID, mail ID below to the video in the description box. Please go through that for the one-to-one consultation. I think in that part, Devashmita will be helping much more, which can be discussed over here. For this, you have to go to the one-to-one consultation.
Yes, guys, you guys are feel free to contact me anytime. I will be available for you guys for any time. And Kaustav is also going to share my details in LinkedIn ID and mail ID in the description box. Please go through it. If you want any more suggestion rather than these I've shared, if you want more suggestions about the Amazon and how to prepare, then you can contact me and mail me anytime. Yes, I'm ready to help you guys.
Great. Thank you very much. Bye-bye and stay safe.
Thank you, Kaustav.